have the right to remain silent. You have the right to be protected against self-incrimination. That means you don't have to tell me anything today that's going to incriminate you in later court proceedings. Do you have an attorney with you this afternoon?
No, but I would like to get one.
Okay.
And
I will.
originally, I told them I didn't need one. But things are accumulating at a rate that the way it didn't happen. And
Okay.
I'd like to contact the lawyer.
Are you able to pay out of pocket for an attorney, or would you like the court to pursue an avenue to see if you can be appointed an attorney?
I have one appointed because I can't afford one at the moment.
Okay. Mr. Kenneth Henry Eastwood, you've been charged on arrest warrant 2019-838-102-00238 with the crime of murder. Based on an investigation by the Orangeburg County Sheriff's Department, the defendant Kenneth Henry Eastwood did on or about December 8, 2019, violate Section 16-3-10 of the South Carolina Code of Laws of South Carolina, murder in that he did kill the victim, Cara Hodges, with malice aforethought by strangling the victim and placing her body in a wooded area. This incident occurred at 1189 Gardens Gate Road in Orangeburg County, and the victim was found on December the 12th, 2019, in a wooded area of Orangeburg County, approximately 5 miles from the defendant's residence. The defendant gave specific details of the crime to an independent witness on December the 14th, 2019, that were not made public. An interview of the witness was video recorded, and the witness gave a written statement. Mr. Eastwood, the crime of murder is a felony punishable by a mandatory minimum term of 30 years to life incarceration, and also death by punishment by death. You understand this charge against you, sir?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Anything from the victim's advocate?
Good evening, good afternoon.
Good
Your Honor.
afternoon.
We do recognize that it is an arraignment. We just wanted to go on record, you knowing that the father was Cara's here. The mother and her sister had been down the entire weekend. They had to go back due to being in another state with the children. But they are dedicated to being a part of this entire process, and did want the courts to know that there was a tremendous loss of a daughter and of a sister. We are aware that there is somewhat of a relationship between the defendant and the father. And so we are requesting that at this time, if possible, that we can have a no contact put in place until the final bond arrangements are made.
All right, Mr. Eastwood, I am going to put in place a no contact order. That means you cannot have any contact directly or indirectly with the family members of the victim. Any questions about that? Okay, and as I said, today is just your arraignment. I will not set bond on you today. Bond will be deferred to a circuit court judge to be set at a later date. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Your Honor, if we can have a brief second to move the camera.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.